welcome back, friends. So today we are going to do a simple Cuban buns. I don't know, buns. We're doing buns on our natural hair. So get ready, get your combs, get your pins, get your thread, or if you have a shoelace, get a shoelace. So start off, we are going to start combing our hair. Make sure your hair is oiled, detangled, well moisturized. We ain't dealing with dry hair here over here. Okay, so we are going to need first to apply some gel on the edge of our hair, on the ends. Then get your brush and apply to make sure your hair looks smooth. And then you get your thread. Yes, get your thread, tie it, push as you're pushing your hair, push at the back and push at the front, but don't over push it up because these buns need to be big. The bigger your hair is, the better these buns will come out. My hair is medium length, so you're going to be dealing with what you got. So anyway, when you tie, and make sure you make 2 rounds. After tightening, then you turn it and also tie at the back. Make sure it's really tight. Yes, just like that. And when you finish, I secure it down. You may need to use a pin for this if you're not so sure of yourself. If you're not sure of your hair, you can need to use a pin to make sure your hair is secured down properly. So here you can see I over pulled it up and then I had to redo it again to make sure it's not so up. That way it was easier for me to deal with and I would make more bands out of it. So I redid it and decided to make buns. So you're going to see it's going to look different a bit there, that the forehead is over pushed back here. I'm going to redo it again to make sure my bun comes out properly. It would have looked nice like that, but my head is big. I have a big old head. So you see, there you can see I pushed it, I redid it, and my bun was a bit on the front of my forehead, so it was quite better there. I needed more buns, I needed more rolls in my hair. So we are rolling and tucking. You roll and tuck under the thread. Yes, that thread that we used. So we're just rolling our hair. You just pick up piece of hair, roll it at the edges, then fold and tuck. You tuck it. You do this for the rest of your hair. Pick sides that you find that are easier for you. Please, this is not something that's supposed to be perfect. Of course, it will look perfect when people see you. They will think you have gone to a salon, but do something that will be easier for you to do, that will make it easy for you to work with. So put your hair where it wants to naturally turn. I'm trying to curl it, and where it doesn't turn, I leave it. I do it on the next side. So you can see there I'm trying to roll and tuck, roll and tuck, roll and tuck. Smooth it. You smooth it like that. Then you roll on your thumb and your index, and then you tuck. See, just like that. As you can see, it's a very simple hairstyle to do. Then we are done. We are now working with the back section, rolling and tucking, rolling and tucking. This hairstyle literally takes you 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take you long. It takes you 5 to 10 minutes if you're fast. And I was fast. Trust me, it took me 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't go beyond that unless you're struggling and you don't know how to work with your hair. But the more you keep practicing, the faster you will be at this. So you tuck. But another thing, please, this is not a professional video. It is something of a DIY you can do at home. Okay, please don't come for me. I try to do things that we can all do easily at home. So you tuck. If your hair doesn't lay down easily, you need to have pins and pin the middle parts down. So you see those buns in the middle, sometimes if you're not careful, they may come out. They tend to come out, but mine was staying. They weren't going anywhere. After all, I was going to be a guest at a function at some wedding of my friend. We are going for an introduction. My hair had to be done, and people at wedding receptions usually don't work on our hair. The introduction, makeup people don't tend to know how to do everyone's hair, mostly natural hair. So you always have some talent of your own that you go when you're looking and your hair is already done. And to make sure you're always looking fly on a wedding reception or a function anywhere that requires you to look neat and organized. You do not want to do things last minute. Always do it to your best of your ability, and something you do, you're always proud of it. It will always make you proud. You'll never go for a function looking crazy after doing your own hair. I promise you. Try this look, and then we can always chat about what you think about it. It's a very quick look, as you can see. Now I get my toothbrush, the universal edge layer, and I start laying my edges. They're non-existent, I know, but come on, we can always force them to come. Mine have always been old, they are grown, but you need to force them, and you lay them and they lay down. There you go. I tried to get sideburns, but I don't have sideburns. That's why I was crying. But anyway, moving on. You go to the back of your hair, pass your brush again so that your edge control gets there as well to make it a bit faster, smooth. Then you get your scarf. Do not forget your scarf. This is a very essential piece of this look. Tie your hair down, go take a shower, do your makeup, get ready. Take some tea before you go out. You know, when you're going for a function, please don't go hungry to a function. You'll be disappointed. You may eat that food late. Yeah, so I haven't learned how to do my makeup. Please don't come for me. I don't know how to do makeup, so I did what I could so that I don't go out there looking crazy. Yeah, the look is done. As you can see, I'm done with this look. Now I'm ready to go. I went and added some pins, some parts where I felt like my hair wasn't secure enough and I didn't want it to come out. I didn't want it to move out or make me. I only used like 2 pins. I don't like the feeling of pins on my head or my scalp. They tend to hurt my head, so I don't usually wear them. So if I can get away with not wearing them, I can always be appreciative of that. So after that, get your jewelry, get your designs, and put in your hair. There, see, very simple outlook, very beautiful, very versatile, easy to do. I know you can do it on yourself. I know everyone can do it better than me, but that is the best I did. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you.